Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, jangan lupa lagi. I read a book. I do not read a book. Do I read a book? I am reading a book. I am not reading a book. Am I reading a book? I have read a book. I have not read a book. Have I read a book? I have been reading a book. I have not been reading a book. Have I been reading a book? I read a book. I did not read a book. Did I read a book? I was reading a book. I was not reading a book. Was I reading a book? I had read a book. I had not read a book. Had I read a book? I had been reading a book. I had not been reading a book. Have I been reading a book? I will read a book. I will not read a book. Will I read a book? I will be reading a book. I will not be reading a book. Will I be reading a book? I will have reading a book. I will have read a book. I will not have read a book. Will I have read a book? I will have been reading a book. I will not have been reading a book. Will I have been reading a book? I would read a book. I would not read a book. Would I read a book? I would be reading a book. I would not be reading a book. Would I be reading a book? I would have read a book. I would not have read a book. Would I have read a book? I would have been reading a book. I would not have been reading a book. Would I have reading a book? Would I have been reading a book? Alhamdulillah.
Berapa sekarang?
17.
Yes.
8 2000. Ya 6.
Oke, yuk.
Alhamdulillah.